Hey everyone, welcome back to Born Bearded. I am Dave. Yesterday we broke down my top 5 beard oils of 2025, and today we're going to break down my top 5 beard butters for 2025. The list is simple. It's going to make the list if it performs by the texture and how well it works in beard. So let's get through the intro real quick and we're going to get right into it. And before we start, I want to let you guys know real quick, I'm going to be dropping the links down to each of these butters that I'm going to be talking about today down in the description. Feel free to check that out. And first off, we're going to be starting off with number 5, Weatherbeard Supply Co.'s Beard Butter. Weatherbeard's butter is one of those steady all-night butters. It's not whipped. It's not a brick. It's right in that middle zone where it melts clean and it really settles into the beard very nicely. And what puts it on this list? After putting it in at night, you wake up in the morning, your beard feels controlled. It feels soft. It's not greasy. It's not weighed down. It's just calmer than it was from the night before that you put it in. And if you use a little bit of butter during the day like I do, especially during those winter months, it's not a heavy, weighed down kind of butter. It's just going to be in there to help add that little bit of protection. It's quiet, consistent conditioning that works extremely well, and that's why it's on number 5 of my 2025 list. And my number 4 beard butter of 2025 is going to be Johnny Ray's Beard Butter. Johnny Ray's is simple and reliable. It's the kind of butter you reach for at night when you just want your beard to feel better without overthinking it. It melts down quickly, it spreads easily, and it softens the beard without feeling heavy or greasy. Overnight, it just settles in and it just does its job. In the morning, it feels calmer, conditioned, and easier to manage. There's no clumps, there's no buildup, there's no guessing if it worked. It's just consistent, dependable performance that makes your nighttime routine effortless. And that's why Johnny Ray's is hit number 4. And number 3 is going to be Beard Octane's Beard Butter. Beard Octane's butter hits that perfect middle ground. It's not too heavy, so you're not going to get that heavy feeling in the morning when you wake up, but it's not so light that it's just going to disappear halfway through the night. You apply it, you go to bed, and you forget about it. And when you wake up in the morning, your beard feels conditioned, balanced, and not overdone. No surprises, no weird textures, just dependable performance. And that consistency puts Beard Octane's Beard Butter at number 3. And number 2 is going to be Copper John's Butter. Copper John's is my reset butter. When my beard's had a long day, dry, stubborn, doing its own thing, Copper John's butter is the butter I reach for going to bed. It's rich without being greasy, it breaks down smooth, and at night, it just pulls the beard back together. The real win is going to be in the morning. It feels calmer, softer, and noticeably more manageable. And that's why Copper John's hit the number 2 spot. It actually fixes things overnight. And my number 1 beard butter choice for 2025 is True North Beard Co. True North Beard Butter is the one that refuses to underperform. Every jar, every night is the same texture, the same melt, the same results, never any grit, and no surprises. It goes into the beard clean and it conditions all night long. And in the morning, the beard feels soft, balanced, healthier, easier to manage without feeling coated or heavy. It's not loud, it's not heavy. It just delivers every single time that you use it. And that's why True North Beard Co. is my number 1 butter for 2025, not because of the hype, but because of the unmatched performance of this butter. And that's my top 5 beard butters for 2025, not based on labels, not based on trends, but based on their overall performance and how they work in beard consistently. And now I want to hear from you guys. If there's a specific butter that you liked for this last year, drop it down in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And remember to check out my video for my top 5 beard oils of 2025 right here. And remember, it's not just a beard, it's a voice. Let's break the stigma of talking about mental health. I'm Dave, and I was Born Bearded. Love you guys.